Did you know that many credit cards come with hidden benefits? Understanding these can save you a lot of money. Many banks offer price protection. If you buy something and see it cheaper later, you can get a refund for the difference. Another feature is extended warranty protection. Some credit cards automatically extend the warranty on items purchased with the card. Don't forget about travel insurance. Many credit cards provide travel accident insurance and trip cancellation coverage. Utilize reward points wisely. Credit cards often allow you to redeem points for cashback, travel, or gift cards. Check for no foreign transaction fees. Using the right credit card overseas can save you money on every purchase. You can often get complimentary access to airport lounges just by using certain premium credit cards. Look for cards that offer bonus categories. Spend more in those categories and earn extra rewards. Don't overlook sign-up bonuses. Some cards offer substantial bonuses for meeting a spending requirement in the first few months. Monitor your credit utilization. Keeping it low can improve your credit score and may lead to better credit card offers in the future. Consider setting up alerts for your credit card. This helps you stay on top of spending and avoid late fees. Make sure to pay your balance in full to avoid interest charges. This maximizes your rewards and keeps debt in check. Review your credit card statements regularly to identify any unauthorized charges quickly and dispute them. Take advantage of 0% introductory APR offers. These can give you extra time to pay off big purchases without interest.